Welcome everyone, this is iPhone Pro. Today I'm going to replace an iPhone 6s Plus with a cracked screen. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the screen, as well as start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy.
My heart beats in patterns to the broken sound. You're the only one that can calm me down. My head spins in circles so I'm dizzy now. All of this time I should have figured it out.
And we are done. So 8 minutes and 26 seconds. And we have a brand new iPhone 6s Plus. And everything still works. All the screens come pre-tested. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram at iPhone Pro and also Facebook at iPhone Pro. As well, I just want to thank all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.